Hey everyone! Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create or add a Microsoft form directly into a SharePoint site. Whether you're collecting feedback, taking registrations, or running surveys, embedding a form in SharePoint makes it super easy for your team or audience to respond. So let's get started. Now open the SharePoint site where you want to add the form. Here you can see I've already opened a demo site, and this is the home page of this site where I want to create or add the form. To edit the site page, you need to have the proper editing permissions on this SharePoint site. If you have permission, you'll see the edit button in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to enter edit mode. After selecting the section where you want to place the form, click the plus icon to add a new web part. Now search Microsoft Form web part in the list, and then click on it to add it to the page. Here you can see two options: create a new form or add an existing form. In this demo, we're going to create a new form, but in your case, you can also choose an existing form if you already have created. Now click on New Form, and you'll notice that a property pane opens on the right-hand side for configuration. Here, I'm giving the form a name. I'll call it Event Registration. Next, click on the Create button, and it will redirect you to Microsoft Forms. Here you can design your form by adding questions, choosing response types, and customizing it however you need. Now the first thing I'll do is add a text field and name it your name. To add the next question, I'll click on Add New Question. Now I'll add a choice field with the question: which session do you plan to attend? And I'll add two choices: Session 1 and Session 2. Similarly, for the next question, I'll add do you need shuttle service from your place? And provide the options yes and no. Next, I'll add the question how did you hear about this event? And I'll include two options. First option our website and second option social media. And finally, I'll add the last text field with the title, include your phone number or email address here. Finally, I'll add a bit of styling to the form to make it look cleaner and more appealing. Now you can see that the form has been created successfully. Let's go back to the SharePoint site and take a look at how it appears on the page. I'll refresh the site now, and you can see the form has been added successfully. After adding the Microsoft form to the SharePoint site, finally click on the Republish button to save and apply all the changes. Now you can see the updated page with the form embedded and ready to use. Now let's test it by adding a few sample responses to make sure the form is working properly. After clicking the Submit button, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know that the form was submitted successfully. Now let's go back to the event registration form to check the responses. Here you can see the response that we just added. So that's the complete process of creating a Microsoft form and adding into a SharePoint site. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,